Right then, you horrible lot. This week on Burntwolf Airsoft, we've got a little bit of gameplay footage, and we're off down the Grange for a game of Capture the Flag. Now, whilst all the youngsters run off to get the furthest flag on the field, I've decided I'm going to be going to the closest one, and turns out the enemy are already there. Which is quite nice for me, really. I don't have to wait long.
No. It's about 340.
Nope, I think we'll give that window a miss. Time to find a new window. That'll do.
Come on in then, guys.
Now, I don't want to let them get out of this hut, cause trouble all over the map. I'm quite happy making sure they stay in there.
Bunch of them in that building back there.
Starting to have quite a collection in there now.
How are we looking?
3 of them in that building just in front of us there.
We're not going to get one of them.
Well, we will, because they've all got 1 life left and then they're gone. You want to get on that window? Because I need someone to keep them in.
Let's get the Germans on it. Very efficient players.
Okay, I think we should move in. If you can cover me, I'll move up. Did they even poke their head round?
Guys, you want to give him some cover? Because he's going to do something suicidal.
You just start shooting it. I can't shoot 15 minutes. Oh, sorry.
Alright, mate, sorry, that was being a bit.
That was on me.
That's a bit of both, mate. Nice. You got 'em. Come on, lads, move up a bit if we can get them.
Go.
Blue in that building. You blue?
Blue here.
Yeah. There. red moving up on the right. He's behind that solid pallet, behind the back of Willow.
Doing that aiming technique, Candice.
Yeah, the
Hit the fire.
yeah.
3 of them behind the wooden pallet.
Behind that wooden pallet, directly in front. Hit! Hit! Hit!
Have you got a body left or?
I've got a spawn left, yeah, but I'm in direct fire, so.
Now on the second life, what we're attempting to do here is cut them off. We hold 2 flags at the moment out of 3, and all we need to do is cut them off and hold those flags to win the match.
Behind Willow Cottage, moving up, mate.
Bloody little uns. Wish they weren't so bloody quick, they'd be easier to hit.
My hip's been a bit twisted.
Jammiest player of the day goes to this fella.
You're lucky, man. My mag ran out.
Anyway, that's about it for this week's video on Burntwolf Airsoft. I think we just about managed to hold the second flag though. Let me know what you think. I know it's a new style, so I'm eager to hear your guys' feedback. So let me know in the comments section below. as always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more airsoft tips, tricks, reviews, and how-tos. Anyway, back to whatever you were doing. At ease.